Hello everyone, I am Keva Sanjay Parmar. It feels so good to be back on YouTube after such a long time. And this time, that is the first video of 2021, is gonna be potato pancakes. Now, what are potato pancakes? They are nothing but basically savory tea time pancakes made with shredded potatoes, shredded or grated potatoes. So, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Firstly, cut the peeled potatoes into two pieces. I have taken about 4 to 5 potatoes, and this makes around 6 to 7 pancakes if you need. Now, what you need to do, the next step is you need to grate them thickly. Make sure that you use a grater which gives you thick shredded potatoes so that the texture of the pancakes would come out real nice. Now as you can see that I've grated all my potatoes, and now I'm transferring all the potatoes in the bowl. The next step is to wash it about for 3 times and then keep it soaked in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once you've kept the potatoes to soak, now you need to make the batter. For that you need to add 3 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour. Next you need to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour or rice flour. You can use either. Next you need to add 2 tablespoons of besan or chickpea flour for binding. Then add salt, black pepper as per your taste. Now here I am adding mixed herbs. You can also use oregano. Next I am adding red chili powder. You can use paprika. Next you need to add chopped garlic into it. You can skip the garlic. Now add in 1/4 cup of water and gradually and make a thick batter out of it. Now make sure that your batter has no lumps left. Lastly, you need to add 1 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder and mix everything together well. Now this should be a semi-thick batter, not a very thick or thin batter. Now here my potatoes are soaked for 15 minutes and now I'm draining out the water from it. Now once that I have drained all the water out of the potatoes, you need to take a batch of potatoes in your hand, squeeze the excess water to take out all the water from the potatoes, and then you need to spread the potatoes on a muslin cloth and then do the same for all the potatoes that you have. This ensures that the potatoes do not have any extra water inside them. Grab the sides of the muslin cloth and squeeze all the extra water. This also ensures that your pancakes become crispy at the end when you cook them. Now take the prepared batter and add the potatoes into the prepared batter. Then next you need to add in 1 medium-sized chopped onion and mix everything together until it is combined as such. Now let's start cooking the pancakes. For that you need to heat a non-stick pan, add in a little oil and spread the oil everywhere with the help of a brush. Now you need to take a little batter in the spoon and then place it on the pan and shape it with the help of a spoon itself. Make sure that your pancakes are round enough. Now you need to let it cook on medium-high flame until the back side of the pancakes is golden brown in color. You can see the golden brown color on the pancakes. It looks very beautiful, and then you need to keep on cooking it on both the sides until you see a golden brown color on both the sides. Repeat the same process with the rest of the batter and you're done cooking your potato pancakes. Serve them with chutney or sauce or with any dip of your choice, and trust me, they look amazing. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I shall be back soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye.